G'day, I'm Gav.
And I'm Shez, and this is our Beneteau Oceanis 430 Astrid the Wombat. We're getting ready to sail around the world.
So hit subscribe and join us on our amazing adventure.
Welcome back to Sailing Astrid the Wombat. In our last episode, we officially became liveaboard sailors. Join us now as we start the first of the living on board boat jobs, repairing the seal on the hatch of our front locker. It's a job that Gav really didn't enjoy very much at all. We also have a birthday to celebrate, so we hope you enjoy this episode. And if you do, please hit subscribe and follow us on our journey to sail around the world. Well, excitingly, although I still have a corner of stuff to unpack here, I've just been sitting doing some editing. I've used up all the episodes I had up my sleeve because I knew we'd be busy moving. And then Gav's been up here pretty busy, so let's see what he's up to, because we've been away from the boat from morning till night, taking care of the other house, so we've sort of got a few hours this afternoon here, which is kind of nice. What are you up to, babe?
Well, this is the hatch off the front of the boat.
Oh, the big hatch.
And so I've taken it off, and I've cleaned some crap off it.
Yeah.
And I don't know if acetane's the right thing to use or not, but I'm using it. So.
I think that's what they advised to use, wasn't it?
Yeah, well, it's coming up all right, but I've got the edges clean, which is the main thing. So yeah, anyway, we'll see if we can repair it. It's got, I've got to spend a couple of hours up the front there, I suppose, de-mucking the front.
So the seal had all gone on this, and it's just, yeah, water's just pouring through. So we had the other hatches done when we first came back with the boat. And they restored them all and did a great job, and we approached them to do this, and they've just got too much work on at the moment. They only do like the restoration stuff when they're slow. So anyway, we thought, we've been watching a lot of people doing it themselves, and we thought, why not give it a crack? Doing a very good job, babe.
Yeah, it's come up all right, isn't it? It's better than what it was, that's for sure.
Is this better than being at the house painting?
That's about equal to, I'd say.
Okay. Are you going to have a sleep this afternoon?
Oh, no. I was going to go take the tender and go and have a beer at the pub.
Okay. Alright, so these hatches have all been done. This is the hatch that Gav's currently doing. It's a massive hold in here. We've shown it before. Gav can stand up in there. There's a ladder to get down, so it's really, really big. So we've got stuff shoved in at the moment, but you can see, like, look how rubbish it is there. While I'm waiting for this episode to upload, I think we should go and see what Gav's up to. See how that repair's going. How's it going, babe?
Slowly.
Slowly?
Yeah. Very slowly. I really would like the vacuum cleaner if you get a chance.
The vacuum cleaner?
Yeah, there's a battery in a cradle.
Is the battery in the shed?
Yeah, in a cradle in the shed.
Okay.
Cradle's a charger.
Alright. Okay, I'll go and get it.
You came at just the right time. That big bit just came off with that all in one go. Good
job, babe.
Yeah, but if I need to vacuum around, this stuff's really shit.
Okay.
And I need to get a steel one of these. I don't know where
Have we got one of those?
Yeah, I don't know where though, but I mean, it's...
Okay. I'll have a look.
Have a look at this stuff. Like, get in there.
It's just all perished rubber, is it?
No, it's sticky shit.
Oh.
Came off really easily. You go come out the right
Looks
section.
really tough.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll go down and get the vacuum cleaner and stuff.
Yeah, thanks, man.
This is our Milwaukee vacuum cleaner. So I tried to stick with Milwaukee so it's all the same batteries to charge. So this is it here. And I've just been vacuuming up the stuff that is coming out as Gav's doing this hatch. So there's crap everywhere. I can still see some more there. I'll get rid of that. But it's pretty cool. Alright, so Gav's got rid of all the stuff out of here. It's taken a couple of hours. And then we've taped it all up. We're just going to put the glass in.
Oh yeah, so it needs to be flat when we set it in.
Okay.
And we'll need your help. We're gonna put the bead of stuff down, we're gonna give it a good squirt.
Yeah.
And then we're just gonna gently lay this
on top.
Yeah, but we're gonna put it on together.
Okay.
And not put any pressure points down the end.
Yeah.
Okay.
I got Gav a housewarming present. Is it housewarming or boat warming? It's our house though. So
we need a warming at the moment because it's chilly.
Yeah.
Thank you for buying me a boat warming present.
This is to replace something that we had to get rid of to move on to the boat.
Yeah. Coastal passion inspired by the ocean. Oh, it's a map of the world. I love it. 10. Oh, fuck yeah, that's awesome, babe.
Take it out.
Okay.
So remember we had to get rid of the great big framed map of the world that I bought Gav years ago because I wanted to give him the world, and it was the thing that we struggled most with, getting rid of that to come onto the boat.
Yeah, it was huge. It wouldn't fit in a van.
No.
Wow. Where do you want to go? Well, let me tell you.
So this is, it's actually similar in colours and everything that that map was.
Just don't want to stab anyone. So. Where are we going?
Mm-hmm.
So will we be able to use this for our nav?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh shit, something's falling down. Because we won't need any computers or anything.
No.
Chuck them all away.
How
Good
cool
job.
is this?
It's very cool.
Yeah, find Australia. There's Antarctica, so we must be close.
Up on the other side.
What if this whole thing arrives and it doesn't have Australia on it?
Yeah, that'd suck.
Has it got half of Australia? Oh, it's missing where we live.
Yeah.
Is it
Well,
on the other end?
it's no good for coastal cruising, is it?
Is it on the other end?
I think so.
How funny. Ah.
What?
There's New Zealand.
Handy.
And there's Australia.
We live here.
We live out here. So. Oh well.
Love it. Thanks, babe. That's a really good present. Thank you very much.
I've been very excited about this.
It's really cool.
Yeah.
I love it a lot.
I want to do a big shout out to one of our Wombat fans who is a friend that I work with, and so big shout out to you, Deb. And I saw Deb this week, and she bought me this. It's a little pewter boat, Norwegian boat, and I absolutely love it.
It's very cool.
Gav loves it too. What do you think, babe?
Love it. It's a Viking ship.
It's a Viking ship. It's so cool.
Yeah.
I really love it.
Because we're Vikings.
We are. We are Vikings.
Or pirates.
Yeah. So I'm going to find a very special spot to put this on the boat. So yeah, I just absolutely adore this. So huge shout out, Deb. Thank you so much. I just finished work and then I heard the tender start up. Gab got home, he finishes before me. Starts before me, finishes before me. But I came out and he's gone. That's all that's left are the lines for the tender. So he's been busy. There's a bit of wake there from him, but other than that, I don't know where he is. I think I can hear him.
jump in?
Hey?
Gonna jump in?
No, I haven't got the shoes for it.
Oh, there's a dolphin in the entrance of the harbour.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Just cooked some protein pancakes for breakfast.
You know what that means? Put the boat on fire.
And got a bit smoky in here. And we opened up the hatches and Gab's getting very excited. Explain why you're excited, babe.
I like the airflow. I like the dynamics of the airflow. It's the physics, it's the chemistry, it's the biology of the whole thing.
So talk to us about what we're looking at right now.
Can you see that?
Yeah, I can see it.
Can you guys see that? It's pretty cool. It's just the air coming through there, but it's balling up and eventually getting pushed out that way.
So out of this one here.
Yeah.
There.
It's little things in life. Oh, all the wind's coming that way. The breeze is coming that way. It's pushing it down, but it's swirling here from in here. Eventually it goes out there. Like I said, it's the biology, it's the chemistry, it's the physics, it's the vibe of the thing. It's all that.
Definitely the vibe of the thing.
Yeah. It's supposed to be a shitty day, everyone, but it looks good. I don't know why we're going to Chandlery when we could be going to an island.
Yeah. It's supposed to be pissing down rain all day. The first of our guests have arrived. It's Action Stations here. First time that we've had people visit the boat since we moved in. And Gav's going to go and do the pickups in the tender. So time to drop the tender and get going. See you soon. Whoa, that was nearly some very good footage. Ahoy! Visitors on the boat, give us a wave. Oh, wow!
I hear the wind.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Thanks, Astrid.
Oh, don't throw it away though, Rosie, because it'll go in the ocean and hurt the fishies. Doing a very good job of opening it. Who do you think wrapped that up? Who do you think wrapped up that present? Who else do you think wrapped it up?
Come on, I did it all.
Bye! Ahoy!
Did you go?
Oh.
Just hang on, Rosie. Rosie, fingers in the boat, fingers in the boat.
Quick, because otherwise they might get jammed.
Have the blue thing.
There we go.
Thanks very much, Rosie.
What a great boat kid.
Let's pass me that orange one, please.
Well, she just says she's this type of kid for everything. When she wants to be a tent kid, an Abby, and a fighting kid, and a bow and arrow kid.
A bone and arrow.
Is it cake time?
Rosie, what
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're so fast.
Yeah.
That's so cool. How fast do you think you went in kilometres?
We went.
Did you fly in the air? Did you go a little bit up?
Yeah.
That's so cool.
Did you see a dolphin?
No.
Not
Oh.
today.
Did you see a shark?
No. We couldn't see any.
Oh. Did you see a fish?
No.
Did your hand get in the water? That's cool.
What was your favourite part? What was your favourite part?
When we went to the bus, and guess what?
What?
I said, we're gonna crash!
And what did Pop say?
He said nothing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tori. Happy birthday to you.
Hip, hip.
Hooray!
Hip,
Hooray!
hip.
Hooray!
Light the candles.
Oh.
Hey!
Thanks so much for watching, everyone. We really hope you enjoyed this episode. And please join us next week because Gav's donning his suit and tie because it's time for a heavy fiscal conversation. We're going to go right through the costs of our recent haul out and how much exactly it's cost for us to get this boat ready to take off around the world. We'll break it all down for you. We really hope you can join us next week. And if you enjoyed this episode, as always, hit subscribe to follow our journey. Thanks, guys. See ya.